lovely fans, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Kwame Bless Wins. You can call me Wins for short. Do you know that your smartphone can help save your life? Maybe you misplaced the phone. Maybe you have your smartphone with you and you have gone unconscious. There is a way to set your smartphone so that whoever is with you and is willing to help can be able to access contacts on your phone, know your blood group, your address, and even make calls without knowing your PIN code. So that is what I'm going to teach you today. Stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end. Alright, so now this is my smartphone. If I swipe up, they are asking me to insert PIN. So let's say you misplace your phone or you are in an emergency and someone needs to access your phone to have some contacts to reach out to or whatever. This is how you go about it. You swipe up, let's say there's password, but the person do not know the password. How do you set up your phone so that it can still be able to reach out to people and also get some information about you? So let's go. If I swipe up and we check that down here, there is emergency. There is emergency down here, so we click on the emergency, then it will take us to this menu. We have where they're asking us to dial the emergency number, which is either the police or the fire service, whatever, but we don't want to call any of that. We want to actually get that information. We check up here, we have what we call the emergency information. So if I click on it, emergency information, tap again to open. So I click it twice, then it will open for me. So this is my emergency information that I have on my phone. I have my name here, I have my address is here, I have my blood type. And if you come to contacts, I have put some contacts here that they can reach out to. I have my dad's contact, my mom's contact, my senior brother's contact, and then my boss at work. So these are the contacts I've put on my emergency list. So if someone picks my phone right now and needs to make a call and doesn't know my password, the person can be able to call any of these numbers. So how do you also set up something like this? So if you swipe up and you click on the emergencies, you go to emergency information, then you see there is a button up here. It's asking you to edit. So if you click on it, they will ask you to enter your password. You are coming to now set up your emergency information. So this is you setting up your emergency information. So I'll enter my password 1 2 3 4. Then the phone opens for me. Now we have the name, address, blood type, then I have the contacts added down. Now the name, you put the name and put your full name there. Then we have address, you can put your address, your blood type. You have O plus, O minus, A plus, A minus, whatever. So whatever your blood type is, also put it there. This is to help in terms of medical emergencies. Maybe you have gone unconscious, you have been rushed to the hospital and they need your blood type to help with some labs or whatever. This will help them. So this is also important if you can put it there. Then you come down. If you come to add information, we have more. We have allergies. So if you're allergic to some drugs, some people are allergic to penicillin and a whole lot of drugs. So you can put all those allergies there. You put the drugs or your allergies, things that you are allergic to, you put them there. And if you come to medication too, maybe you have been put on some drug, you are diabetic, you have blood pressure and you are on some medications, you can put those medications there. When in terms of medical emergencies, they can also check that to help you. Then we have organ donor, medical notes. So these are all informations that you can put there. Now if you come down here, we have add contact. So if I come to add contact, any contact that you think that they can reach out to in terms of emergency, you can tap there to click on them. I have already added my dad, my mom, my brother, and my boss at work. So if you also want to add, you look at people that really know you well, and when they reach out to them during emergencies, they can quickly respond and then help you out. Those are numbers that you are advised to put there. So any number that you want, you can put there as well. Once you are done adding, then you go back, and every information that you put will be added to your list. So we have the info and the contact. So all the contacts will be here. So in case of emergency, if someone picks your phone and they swipe up and there is a password on it, and they are not, maybe you are not around, or you probably misplaced the phone and it's landed in the hand of a good Samaritan, they want to give it back to you. Once they come to the emergency here, they can have a lot of information, emergency information. Your name will be there, your address will be there, whatever you put will be there. And we have contacts over here. And the contacts here, the person can even make a call to them right away, even though the phone is still locked. So if I want to call my dad, it's late, I can't call him. It's 10:32 p.m. I can't call him. But in case of emergency, someone has my phone and wants to call my dad, and you press the dial button, you press any of the SIM cards, the call will go through. So that is how to set your emergency information, so that people can actually find a way to help you when you are in dire need. The first 3 people to comment with the word me, M-E, the word M-E, are going to receive 10 Ghana cedis airtime each from Wins TV. So I'll be right in the comment section waiting for these people, because I said you should watch it to the end. And if you are hearing this, just leave it in the comment section. I'll find a way to reach you, and then you receive your airtime. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification, so that anytime we release important videos like this, you'll be notified and you watch and get more insight. My name is Kwame Bless Wins. You can call me Wins for short. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.